Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to register for a Geico online account in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Geico website. So just go to the Geico website and then click on login in the top right corner of the screen, and then you're going to click on register. So just click on register and enter your policy number as well as other identifying information. Once that's done, you're going to create a username and a password for your Geico online account. So go ahead and choose a username and select a password. Next, you're going to need to verify your email address. So go ahead and verify your email address by clicking on the link that's going to be sent to your email by Geico. And once that's verified, you're going to be able to log into your account and start managing your Geico insurance policies online. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to register for a Geico online account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one.